Hello guys, welcome here to another video. On this video we'll be installing wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on an Audi A3. So the first thing that we have to do would be to remove the Audi Multimedia. Okay, so we need to put the keys here and take these out. That would be the first step. So if you go into your, you need to have two of these. So so like that, yeah, like so. You see how that one is? So the flat thing goes out. Same for this one. So it would be like this. You just need to push it a bit hard. There you go. And then we just need to pull it out that way. Okay. I'll try to do this with the camera, but let's see if I can do it with the camera on the tripod. Yeah, I think you guys can see clearly over there. So we just have to pull it out. There you go. You see it comes out very, very easily. You don't have to worry about it so much. Just be careful when you take it out. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove all those connectors, and then we can remove the glove box, okay? So that way we can put the module inside, because if you see back there, there's a screw all the way to the end. We need to remove that, and just a couple here on the top. We will do that in a minute, but we just need to disconnect that, okay? Okay guys, for the big connector, you just have to press here and then pull up, okay? So it should release the cable, right? You see, there you go. You push it out, and that one is out. So one cable out. We just need to do the same for this one. So at the bottom, you see that there's a little edge that goes up. Same for this one. So we just need to push that up and pull out, okay? It's hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna pause the video and get these out, okay? Okay guys, now all that is disconnected. Now, to recap, this is pretty simple, okay? Just press here at the back, then pull up, okay? There's a small tap here at the back. You press on that one, and that one comes up. Okay guys, for this ones, you're gonna find that they're connected like that. So they're connected like that. You're gonna press on that little tab, you see, and then you're gonna put a plastic tool right here, and then you press on this one, and then you put the plastic tool, and then you start putting them between this edge and the other one, and then you start pulling it up very carefully. All right, same principle apply for the rest. Okay, now we need to remove the screws that are right there at the end. There's one here, one there, one there. There's also a couple down here, one there, one over there. Okay, we need to open this part here. we need to remove this one as well. So there's two at the bottom, one right there, the other one right there. There's one all the way to the end, one over here, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay guys, now the glove box is off, so we'll remove all the screws. So when you want to pull it out, you see there's this edge that goes right here. Make sure, because that will be the only thing holding it in place, so careful. You just need to push it a bit further out and then it will drop. Now you need to disconnect the light, the glove box light, and you need to disconnect this. This goes right there, so it's a bit tricky to disconnect. So there's one little point right there. You need to push that in. So you need to push that little pin in and then pull it out. That way the entire thing can come out. Okay guys, just to give you an idea, there's where we're gonna put the module, right there, right here. Okay, that's where he's gonna live. Run the cables through here, and then they come and then they go together with this one. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, I just connected this one here, the main one here. Then I ran all that cable all the way back there. Let me show you, hold on. Sorry I didn't record all the way, but it was really hard for me to get in here. So there's the module with the double side tape here. There's the Wi-Fi antenna. It's connected right to here. Then video cable here. Power cable is over there. And the microphone is right down there. So I ran it behind this metal pillar and it comes down through there. So far that's all we have done. So now we need to start putting everything back together. So the female, you need to connect it to the gray one. Okay, so these two go together, and then the other end goes to your car module, the multimedia Audi. Okay, and all this, they go back normally to the ports where they're meant to go. Okay, all the cables are tucked in. We can go and have a look one last time. Here the module. The module is right there. Wi-Fi is right there. So cables are going behind that pillar, going all the way here. So the USB, I'll put in the glove box for now. This goes to the module. Harness is ready to go. Everything should be set. Okay guys, now the glove box is back together. Sorry I didn't film most of it, but it was kind of tricky to do it with one hand. What I do need to tell is that once you connect all that, the cables are not that long. So when you put this back together, when you connect it at the back, it's a really tight fit. So that's why I didn't film it, but everything just goes back to how we disconnect. Just the process is backwards. But so if I pull it out, this is as far as you can do it, maybe a bit longer. And then those cables at the back, you will have to be very careful and put your hand at the back and connect them. It's a really tight fit. I think that's the only downside of it, but other than that, it's pretty good. So we need to put the screws back on. I only put one so far. Now we need to push this in, make sure it's locked into place. Well guys, that's what it looks after it's all connected. So please stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna walk you through it on how you can connect your phone and how everything works. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share. It will help me out a lot. Thank you guys. Any questions, just put it in the comments below and I'll help you as much as I can. Thanks.